I'm Larry Stroupe. I'm a real estate developer here in Albuquerque. I contracted with Affordable in late May of this year, 2019. By the end of July, my P&M meter was actually running backwards. Crystal, as salespeople, and then the technicians that came out to design the system were unbelievable. They were courteous. They would do whatever I asked them to as far as special considerations. And then when the workmen appeared, man, they just did a great job. They did a clean job, no trouble to us at all. Perhaps the most surprising thing for me was that it was easy on my part. They did, of course, all the design work. They did the custom work that I wanted on the roof. I didn't have to become involved other than just tell them what I wanted to accomplish. And when it was done, it was finished the way I wanted. And so that's pretty amazing because that's not always the case with construction. I shopped around to 3 different solar panel contractors and compared pricing, obviously. But I was also looking for people that had had the experience that I trusted over a long number of years. Between that and just the general attitude that the representatives from Affordable had, I was most comfortable that they would do the job the way I wanted it done and would be able to accomplish the task, and I could depend on the work without worrying about it. Crystal with Affordable had already calculated what my bill should be based on all the panels we were going to install, and so I was expecting it to be perhaps $50 or less. When the first bill came in about $18, I was just ecstatic. It's not uncommon that my friends and I will be discussing the P&M bill. And when I tell them my last bill was $18, they suddenly drop the conversation and they don't really want to admit what theirs was. I look at the sun different now because on a shady day I think, oh my goodness, I'm not saving as much money as if the sun were shining. And if a cloudy day I go out, the meter still might be running positive where P&M is producing power. I like to see it go backwards. I'm an engineer, and so from time to time I go up on the roof either to see how my new roof is doing or see if there's any snow or dust that needs to be cleaned off the PV panels. So I go up just to kind of pride myself on what we did this summer.